Okay, so we are starting the day off with breakfast in bed. Smells really good. We got black coffee, cranberry juice, orange juice, and I think there's just some like American breakfasts here. Yeah, look at that. Looks beautiful. And in here we have some fruits, and we'll enjoy. All right, see you guys. Bye. Okay, today is Skagway day, and we woke up and now we're gonna get some lunch and start off the day. It's just gonna be a walking tour for us today. We're not doing anything fancy. No trains, because that costs $200. So we're just gonna hike around, explore the downtown area. This was a gold mining site 100 years ago or so, so check that out. All right, I got a lot of meat. Tri-tip, top ground beef. There's sushi, poke, Chinese food. I just realized to offshore you have to get on a boat. Okay, thank you. Get in, Dia. Go in first. Oh. Okay. That's so cool. What the hell? The other boat got back, so we're most likely gonna leave now. So oh, there's other people coming back. Yeah. 60 miles out.
So here's another boat there. Ooh, very, very rocky.
Tying us up. Thank you. Hey, so that was our shift. Somehow we just went over and around, and now we're here. Okay. So this is the train that we're not going on, but we get to see it, and it's pretty long. Oh, almost got ran over. Oh. Alright, let's wait for it to move. The guy dropped his glove, but it is okay. It's moving very slowly. Alright, jump on now.
Okay, so in
those
the
are the
distance,
shadows.
There's actually city buses that you can get. I think it's like $5 for like an all-day pass, which is pretty good. I thought about it, but it's also like it's only a quarter mile to the city center, and I don't think that's very far. I think that's what, like 5 minutes or something. I don't know miles. Anyway, even if you wanted to take the shuttle, my mom has all the US cash, so you have to walk.
Big sad. It's okay. It's not raining too hard.
Yeah, and it's actually not that cold.
This is what the shuttle looks like. So we could have taken that. This is the map. It doesn't even show where we are, but it's pretty symmetrical. Like it just goes from 1st Avenue all the way to 22nd, and there's really like 3 main streets. You have Alaska Street, Main Street, and Broadway Street. So
I think it's interesting that such a
we're on Congress Way, I think, because I see that sign over there, Congress Way. So we're around here. Yeah. So we're just gonna loop around everywhere and come back. This is Skagway downtown. First thing you see, Miner's Gem. Gives you a sense of what they did in the past. And down the road, just more old-fashioned stores. You can buy your train tickets here. Train tickets sold here. The White Pass and Yukon Railway. The Train Chape. It's a gift store. Hey, let's take it. Want to take a look? Let's take a look. There's also washrooms here. the same guys we bumped into on our trip. So this is the route map of where the train takes you from Skagway all the way up to Whitehorse, Yukon.
This used to be the depot. Yeah, massive colorful structure built in 1898 was a dominant part of Skagway life until 1969 when railroad operations moved to the WP new buildings. Oh, so I see that's the new building. This is the old one. The old depot is now the National Park Service Visitor Center where you can enjoy movies, walking tours, and other activities during the summer. So let's go inside.
The population count of Alaska. Yesterday we were on Juneau, 32K, 33K. Skagway is 1/30th of that, 1,000. Ketchikan is the third location we're going to, 13,000.
Juneau is actually the state, but it's not the biggest.
Yeah, it's the capital. Yeah. The Skagway Theater and the auditorium. The movie just ended, but it's pretty empty, so we might sit and watch a movie. The gold handlers. It's where the movie is cast. Okay, the movie should start soon. It's 25 minutes long, and it shows every 30 minutes, so there's a 5-minute break. The lights have dimmed, the movie's starting. It's over now. I might have fell asleep. What do you think, Kayla?
That was pretty good, honestly.
What was your takeaway?
It was a really hard journey, and most people got nothing. Like there was only like 100 people out of like 100,000 that like got 1,000 gold. So I can't do quick maths.
But one guy came with 35 cents and left with nothing, but he would do it for less, so worth it.
Take your pattern and stamp it.
Stamp it on this.
These two ones are very pretty. Yeah, these two.
Yeah. Thank you. I'll stamp it
Yep, we'll go to the theater then.
Is this on today?
Yeah, should be today's day. Should be. Today's the 7th.
Yes. Aha.
There you go.
Good job.
And also at the visitor center you can get a map, but you can also get stamps. So these are the stamps I got. I got literally all of them. It has like the different trails, or like just showcases the Klondike Gold Rush or some indigenous art. This one I obviously pressed for too long, so it didn't come out very well.
It's okay.
But these ones I've learned. These ones were much better. Another one. Yeah. So this can be my little souvenir, and it's free.
Corner is the Red Onion Saloon. It was a brothel back in the day, and on the second floor it's actually a museum, so we'll check it out. Brothel Museum. Exit only. Let's go up this way.
Not the Ritz, but like somewhere you would like.
So I think the museum entrance is up the stairs. Oh, okay. Where's the museum?
The museum is upstairs. We'll give the next tour at 1:30.
Okay, thank you.
3:30.
Oh, 3:30.
I'm
Okay,
sorry.
thank you.
This is what it's all about. This is where it started, right here in Alaska.
Were these mined from Skagway?
It is not Skagway, but Alaska area. Yeah, in the deep mountains. Yes.
beans.
Something nice to take home with you. We also have the nuggets and jewelry as well. We have some nice earrings done in here.
We'll take a look.
Jewelry's home.
Yeah.
I want the train. Okay.
The place was supposed to be, let's see, the visitor center.
Samples. Oh, can we try some buffalo breath? Thank you.
Wow.
What do you think?
It's okay, to be honest. It's not that strong, if you ask me.
Okay, I tried the free buffalo breath popcorn sample. It's a bit too soggy.
Yeah, somehow.
Kind of tastes like shit. But it's free. Next to the Mascot Saloon, which was built in 1898, there's this object on top of the mountain. If you zoom in on the camera, it says, I don't know.
Hermes's Curious.
It looks like a time, like a stopwatch, and a Frontier bar. Anyways, just an interesting tidbit you could look at here. Okay, off we go. Okay, we got a quick update on whatever that pocket watch up there is. They're actually ads or graffiti that's up there. So just an FYI. Okay, this is Skagway's tallest building. And previous to this, it was actually a barrack, but it has since been abandoned. And now I think the mayor works here or something like that. Okay, that little shed over there, that is the oldest house in Skagway. The blue house, or cabin, the blue house on the right is actually made or built from the old man's shed, son's building is right there. Yes, I believe that's correct.
Yes.
Fun fact. Okay, if you guys can see that chimney right between the trees in that yellow house, that chimney is the last remnants of the oldest hotel, or was the oldest hotel.
No, most famous hotel.
Most famous
Alaska's
hotel
most famous hotel.
in Alaska, not just Skagway. So, just an FYI, owned by private property.
Now, yeah. So, on 7th Street or 7th Avenue, between Broadway Street and State Street was like the red light district, but this red two-story red structure, we're looking at the right one. It's supposedly there used to be a local brothel, but now, yeah, it's in Broadway, but now it's an Assembly of God.
Wow, what an upgrade.
Yeah. So this is the White House, built in 1902. Obviously, it's quite windy today. I mean, there's a lot of details behind it, but I don't really want to read it all out. But now it is a bed and breakfast.
This rec center is like in a warehouse. It's pretty interesting. And they seem like they have 3 visitors right now. Make it 2. These are how the police cars in Skagway looks like. Don't ding dong ditch this house. We're actually not in downtown anymore. We're just walking down to find the cemetery and maybe do a hike. But this is a school that they have at Skagway. It looks pretty nice. And you can see all the bikes. They don't really lock their bikes here is what I find. People just drop their bikes down and they bounce.
Well, it's only 1,000 people, so
Yeah.
I
So you
mean,
know who's a thief.
yeah,
Yeah.
maybe.
This is a little baseball field. It's probably what the kids play around here during PE class. What a view though they have, amazing. We made it to Alaska Strait in Alaska. This is the view you have. There's a little house there. Here's Kayla.
I think we just go straight now.
Okay, we're trying to find the cemetery. Not lost, guys. This is the Gold Rush Cemetery. location, like it's directing us there. And then there's just a bunch of trains and stuff for the train.
You get
Yeah.
a really nice view of the mountain from here.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's also a map. We can look at that. I am living life on the edge. I'm walking on the railroad. Hopefully no trains come. It's like there was a landslide here.
Yeah.
Maybe even an avalanche during winter. And it's just like barren now. Okay, so we made it to the Gold Rush Cemetery.
We did not get lost.
Yes, this pause the video, you can read up on it, but basically it's no longer used right now since 1908. There's 133 grave sites, but only 60 available burial records. Yeah, and it's Skagway's most famous graveyard.
Oh, this is sad. This couple,
Bert?
yeah, and Florence, they went on their honeymoon and they got murdered.
Oh.
Yes,
Too
but
bad.
it's in retaliation for the murder of 2 other people.
Mm. This is the path to the Reed Falls. We see our first 2 sites or deceased people. A big gold nugget.
It's the big nugget.
Yeah, these 2 people just founded the
Tourism industry.
tourism industry. That's why they're here.
Yeah, and they're an exception.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the cemetery was no longer used after 1908, but as you can see, like they passed away in 1942.
And 46. Okay, off we go. We made it to the waterfall. And it looks pretty amazing. Alright. A bigger open view. It actually took us like very quickly we got here compared to our walk over here. So if you were to come to the falls, maybe take a shuttle bus here instead. Oh wow, look at that. Amazing. I think there's a square over here. I see it. There.
Do you see it? Right there.
Oh, I'm scared off. I see it now.
Ooh.
Speak it now?
No. I mean, good photos. So it is very windy right now and it's slightly raining, so it's kind of like beating our eyes. So our idea combating it is using the umbrella. But then you can still look to the side and you can see the nice mountains.
I
But
think it's
then-
ridiculous how we look from the outside.
Yeah.
Which I'll show you. Hold on it. That's to
How do you think
prevent
you can
it
really
from...
see us?